So we've come to light our patio burner, or our patio heater, and typically after 1 year it doesn't work. So why is it not going to work? First, turn off the gas, remove the bottle, and we've taken the bottle out, and now we're going to take out these screws here. Take these screws here, you can see here and here, all the way around. Off the top, and let's have a look what's in the top. Okay, so we've got the burner here, then we've got the sparker over on the left here, and then you've got the thermocouple there. So first check if you've got a spark. You can test this with no bottle on, you know, the old routine. Have we got a spark? If you've got a spark, check inside this jet here, because you may have got cobwebs, somebody living in there over the winter. Blow him out, check him, got a spark. The next thing it can only be, well, possibly, is this thermocouple, and then we'll check this one out. It broke in through these self-tappers here. You can see the tilt switch there. There it is. If you've got this cover off, you'll see here that's the tilt switch. So there's a good chance it's going to be this. I've taken apart the tilt switch, and you can see there's a big bearing there and a lever going down onto a micro switch. Now I've got a feeling when I got my meter on this, it was not clear. We were not getting a dead short or continuity perfect. So these are only a few euros, so either replace it, but I think on this occasion, just for fun, I'm going to pull it apart and clean it. And there you go. Took the cover off. They just lift off, these lids. So I'm going to carefully remove it, and I'm going to go in, and I'm going to clean these contacts here. See how we get on. Job. I'm going to have a little screwdriver, multimeter, just use my cheap one, only have to go to the toolbox. Some nail varnish remover to clean the terminals, and a little emery board I've got from one of my tools. Gonna be a 10-minute job, this one. Then reassemble it like this, and then move on to this. I'm going to start at the bottom, or should I say the outside of the middle here, and then work my way around with the screws. Lid back on. Remember to put the screws back in, and then go and find the gas bottle. That's it, we've got all the screws back in. Gas bottle back in, turn the valve back on, and let's try. So what we're going to do is go round to press in, round to ignite, press the button. I'm going to do it with one hand. There you go. And without even switching on, so it's just still on the pilot at the moment. But that shows you got the light, got the flame bit, the pilot on. So when we go back round to on, there we go. We're up and running. Tilt switch. Little tricky one, but it's worth checking out before we put it in the bin.